Welcome to the Williams Brothers Corporation of America, the world's largest access door store, and your trusted partner in architectural openings for over 30 years. Today we'll be looking at the WBMAP 1000 Series Touch Latch Plastic Drywall Access Panel. This innovative panel is designed for seamless integration into walls, ceilings, or tile. Its clean and visible appearance makes it a favorite among architects, contractors, and installers who demand both function and design. Before installation begins, gather the necessary tools: a pencil, cutter or saw, level, measuring tape, screws, and if desired, silicone for alternative fixing. Safety glasses and gloves are always recommended. Let's start with the included template. Cut it out carefully along the marked lines. This ensures that the opening you create will be perfectly matched to the frame. Place the cutout template on the desired surface and check the evenness of all sides with a level. A precise opening guarantees a flush, professional finish. Once aligned, trace the perimeter with a pencil. This outline marks your cut zone. Now, with the appropriate cutting tool, follow the traced lines. Work slowly to avoid splintering or uneven edges. After cutting, file the plasterboard edges with a planer. For a smoother result, finish with sandpaper or glass paper. Clean edges make for a snug, seamless fit. At a distance of 15 millimeters from the perimeter, mark the points where the screws will be fixed. This step is crucial. It ensures the frame will sit securely without stress on the surrounding material. Next, insert the access panel's frame into the recess. Hold it tightly in place and fasten screws through the pre-marked points. Be careful not to over-tighten. Alternatively, silicone can be used as an adhesive for a cleaner, tool-free finish. Once secured, test the touch latch operation. A gentle push should release the panel smoothly, allowing effortless access to the concealed area. Push again, and it clicks neatly back into place. No visible hardware, no distractions. The WBMAP 1000 series is ideal for concealing electrical systems, plumbing, and maintenance zones while keeping your interiors pristine. Unlike traditional access panels, this design offers an uninterrupted surface that blends into drywall or tile. Made from durable ABS plastic, it resists corrosion and provides long-lasting performance. And like all Williams Brothers products, it is engineered with precision. In summary, the WBMAP 1000 Series Touch Latch Plastic Drywall Access Panel combines ease of installation, reliable performance, and the seamless look today's projects demand. To learn more or to browse the complete line of access panels and architectural solutions, visit us at wbdoors.com. Williams Brothers, the world's largest access door store.